Hey, what are you doing anyways?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, I know. Look at that.
It's still pretty dirty.
It is. I hope it's going to get clean because we're trying to clean this barbecue. We took all the parts out of here. And this barbecue is only a few months old. It hasn't been used that much, but look how dirty and messed up these grills are already. And we took some vinegar and put it in these bags, and we left them overnight. Ammonia. That's right, ammonia. And we poured in maybe a half a cup in that bag and a half a cup in here. And now we're getting ready for the test to wipe these off and see if these are going to get clean.
So I think I'm going to put them in the sink in the kitchen.
You sure?
One at a time.
Do you have an old
bucket? Scrubber?
Little scrubber that we can just try one of these real quick out here? We're going to try it. We left these overnight. And it says to leave them overnight, and we'll just see what's going to happen, because I think these are going to come clean. See how dirty they are? Now some people say some of this stuff gives the meat flavoring time after time, but we're wanting to get these clean and see how well this ammonia solution is going to be. So Mommy's coming right back. We're going to leave the camera going. We're going to have her wipe this off and see what's going to happen here.
All right. Oh, look at that. Look at how easy it's coming off. It's hardly any
Toledo, as
look
my
at how clean
father
it's getting.
would say. Yeah, you're hardly putting any pressure on it at all, are you?
I'm not hardly putting anything on it. I'm just simply.
And I know you're going to do a really good job on these, but let's try this other one. I'm kind of curious.
The really filthy one?
Yeah, I'm curious.
Well, let's do the other side of this one.
Yeah, wow.
See that?
Okay.
Now this one I'm having to put a little more elbow grease on it, but it's not much.
But it's gonna. I think it's all gonna come off, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You're gonna have to spend a little bit of time getting the nooks and crannies, but it is going to come off. It looks like, and maybe if we would have left it in there a little bit longer, maybe even a day and a half or 2 days before you do this, it might have come off a little bit easier.
Probably.
But see, she's hardly putting any pressure on here at all.
But we have people coming over for dinner tonight, so.
Yeah, that's right.
I wanna.
And that is going to work.
Yeah.
I guess you're gonna put me to work and grab me another brush, and we're gonna clean these off, aren't we?
Yeah. So you're gonna have to turn that off.
Yep. Okay.
Say bye.
Bye. Thank you for showing me that, and I've got some other videos with that where I show with my mother how to do this on her gas stove, and you know what? It works for your barbecues as well. All right.
Over and out.
Here's these little diverters that were in the bottom. Look at this. Just put this on here. And it's going to clean that off. Not that much elbow grease. See there? Look at that. There's no way you could have done that without using that ammonia. And even on these, this is the back side of the grills. And you could you got one of these, you could use this brush and see the end, how it's got a little curve on it right there. You could use that, in between here first, and then take the brush on it a little bit before you take your scouring pad to it. This is the back side. You could spend, well, we could spend more time on that, but look at the front of this. Look how nice and clean that is. all from using that. And I might add, we use regular garbage sacks like leaf bags, and we double bagged it. We weren't sure if the ammonia was going to be strong enough to eat through the plastic bag. We used the sturdy plastic bags, the leaf bags. You don't want to use something too thin. You might have the ammonia leak out of it or just eat up the plastic, but I don't know, maybe it won't. The key is to make sure to be real careful when you load this stuff in the plastic bags. You don't want to puncture the bag, and then get it nice and tight on the seal. We just scrunched these up and then tied those. That's the key. And there was hardly any ammonia left in the bag when we got done. There's a little bit left in there, but not that much, because the fumes filled up the bag, and that's what cleans that. Okay? Just a few tips when you get ready to clean your barbecue grill. Well, what are we going to talk about next time? If you can see, this is a nice, beautiful stainless steel Weber barbecue grill. And I'll show you do's and don'ts on how to clean this bad boy, and also your stainless steel appliances in the house. Did you know there's a right and wrong way to do that? Right cleaners to use? Well, I'll talk about that next time. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.